Our selections are in for the top 5 high school football games to watch. The biggest contest is up in the north part of our area. It's Staley at Kearney. Staley is just in his 3rd year as a school, but the Falcons football program is already turning into a powerhouse thanks to head coach Fred Bouchard. He won 4 state titles in 5 years at Harrisonville. Staley has formed into a heated rivalry with Kearney. This game is going to be a classic. It's the only time these two teams will play this year. Kearney is the defending Class 4 state champs. The Bulldogs have outscored their opponents, get this, 150-14. But Staley beat Blue Springs this year. The Falcons are 4-0. What a game. I think it's going to come down to the very end. Kearney beat Staley last year 28-0 in the playoffs. I think Staley will bounce back and win Friday night by a field goal. It's Staley's year. Another big game is Lee Summit at Blue Springs. You have 2 offensive stars. Lee Summit has quarterback Corbin Bergstresser, who's committed to Missouri. Blue Springs features running back Darian Miller, who ran for 212 yards last week at Fort Osage. Are you kidding me? Fort Osage is good. I don't see how Blue Springs can lose this game at home. I give the Wildcats the edge. Another reason, Blue Springs has shut out opponents back-to-back weeks. Another team in Blue Springs has a monster game. Blue Springs South travels to Ray-Pec. Why is this game so good? Ray-Pec has star quarterback Cameron Kaufman. He's a senior and broke the Missouri State record this year when he threw for 536 yards in 1 game. It came against a good Lee Summit team. Blue Springs South is a force again. The Jaguars are ranked 5th in the state. This game could go either way. There's a ton to like about both teams. I'm picking Blue Springs South to win. Here's why. Ray-Pec's only loss came against Lee Summit West, who Blue Springs South crushed last week. Now to a sweet matchup in Kansas. Bishop Miege is at Blue Valley. Miege is coming off a tough loss against Gardner Edgerton. Blue Valley hasn't come close to losing this season, but this will be the Tigers' first big test. Miege is wanting to win badly to get over its loss. I like quarterback Max Shortell to lead his Stags to a win, but it should be close the whole game. We stay in Kansas for the most intriguing matchup of the night. It's Shawnee Mission East at Olathe North. That's right, I said Shawnee Mission East. The Lancers usually aren't good in football, but those days are over thanks to Chip Sherman. He won 52 games in a row once at Black County. Now he has Shawnee Mission East rolling. The Lancers are 3-0 for the first time in 27 years. Olathe North will be their biggest challenge so far this season. The Eagles are coming off a shocking 25-0 loss against rival Olathe East. If Shawnee Mission East wins this one, that would be huge. But the Lancers have a fairly young team, and I just don't see Olathe North losing this one. Now, for skylights, highlights, and scores from these games and more, tune in to NBC Action News at 10 on Friday. Lance Vieser will have it all covered for you on Football Friday night.